Hello everybody, how do you do? Welcome back to another video, where in this video I'm going to show you how to practice your elbow stall with a shaker. So first of all, there is a video where I showed you how to practice your stall with the bottle on your elbow. All right. So check that out. That is in my descriptions below. After you master this, shaker is different. Is lighter and is in different kind of shape and is weird when you start practicing kind of crazy moves. With those moves you're doing with the bottle, try to do them with a shaker. That I can help you is perfect way how you can come up with the creative stuff. What you're gonna need to just put it there and find the way where you want it, okay? So I want it, for example, here. Now I'm gonna try to find my balance, okay? The same way like I used to do with my forearm stall. Now let's, for example, do a squat. Let's do a squat. There you go. And I'm looking it on basically on top of the thing where I can find the balance. All right. So as soon I know that I have the balance there, okay. Now I try to just push it, kind of lift it in that way, and to stall it on my forearm. Okay. And it's gonna look just like this. As soon as you got that, it will be for me difficult to go in this position again. All right. So as soon you hear, many of you try practice one spin to the same stall, just like this. Okay. Now the second step for your elbow will be the same move you do, and you try to just put it in the same position. Okay. And you have to find your balance. After you master this, there are many options what you can do. The same way how you do over the shoulder, you're doing it just a little bit more higher, okay? You know, try to think that you're going to stall it on your forearm somewhere here, okay? And you're gonna put your elbow there. If it's not gonna work, just like I experienced, okay? Try to do the tap or bounce, okay? So you throw it in double spin first, just like that, and now I'm gonna put my elbow there and I'm gonna try to just bump it, okay? And if I manage to bump it 10 times in a row properly, then now I'm gonna try to throw it from behind the back with a feeling that I'm going to stall it, okay? The first is gonna take a long because the shaker is not that heavy like the bottle, so it's gonna take you time. But trust me, this move you can put it in many occasions. Let's have a look on 3 moves which you can do with this. First move is from behind the back, over the shoulder, double spin into elbow stall, okay? There you go. Second move is, as soon you master this move, then it comes to the most famous pour and spin again. So let's say you holding it, you have a balance in here properly already, you mastered that, and now we're gonna grab your bottle with whatever you want, and then you pour, let's say you pour a little bit, okay? So let's say put 15 ml or something like that. So you do like 2 and still looking for a balance. Remember, you're gonna be pouring, so you're gonna be concentrating on the bottle and on the tin, so sometimes it's gonna take you lots of drops and spillage, so practice that hard. So as soon you pour it, then you can have 2 options. At the beginning I will start with the way how you started with the stall. It's gonna be just like that. There you go. Okay. Or you can straight away try to practice one spin, all right, into the forearm stall, and it will look just like this. There you go. And we still have a liquid there, so the customer is going to get amazed. Another level will be what most of the bartenders do behind the bar. You can see that in Las Vegas every single night, for example. So what they do basically pour on 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, depending on their skill level. So let's say we put 15 million here, 2. Now we're gonna do 1 spin from the elbow to elbow. There we go. And now 1, 2. And now we're going to the forearm. There we go. And I have one single shot in there, ready to pull after I amazed customers with elbow stall with the shaker. And the third move is a little bit advanced, is bounce to stall and still on elbow. So first you need to master your stall, okay? Second, you need to master this. Third, you need to master your bounce. And then now it comes to the funny part, where you're gonna bounce it and you're gonna stall it on the elbow after that. Nail it. I hope you guys like this video. If you have any comments or any suggestions what I can make it better, on what I have to improve, or what I can improve, or what you would like to see, let me know in the comments below. And if you like it, please thumbs up, please click on that and subscribe. This will really help me to improve my channel and we can do it better and more funny content. So till next time, be awesome and keep practicing.